It's still just Megan, and I'm gonna be Anissa in this scene with the two caring couples. He's got woman hair. Just saying. Man, my Lena too. Are you okay? Are you doing okay? How's it feel now that the table has turned and you're the one with the cold? Well, I enjoy being cared for, little missy, but your message is sour. Chinese voice really bad then. I made a lot of soup. Please have some later. Really bad at her. Is there anything else I can do for you? Oh, cough, cough, cough. Flirting. No, I'm okay. You should give me some fried rice. You seem to be enjoying this. Hey, it's rare to be able to take care of a doctor. He's sweating. He's like, oh man, ruined my reputation. Gone down, so I'll be heading home now. Please get some rest, though. Could you hold on a second? What is it? I'd like you to come by here again to camp. Aw, you're so sweet. Sure thing. I'll be back again tomorrow. Better hurry up and ask her out. No, I mean... here again and again from this point on. That's the worst way to propose to a girl.
There was like